All right, everybody, welcome to NCO Knowledge. Today we're going to talk about government contracts, and we're going to start with the end state in mind. So first of all, let me let y'all know that the Veteran Affairs has certain contracts that are set aside specifically for small business, women-owned, disadvantaged, service-disabled, and hub zones. Now, these are required contracts that the government is actually missioned to accomplish every year. And as you can see here, small businesses, 32.23% of contracts, which equates to $8.9 billion. So getting verified and certified is a pretty important thing when trying to get some of this pot of money that's already out there. So let's get to it. All right, this is the first website of many that we're going to hit. This is called the North American Industry Classification System website. That's a mouthful. In short, it's NAICS. So as you can see, these are the different codes. Basically what this is these are the titles and the code numbers associated with those titles on what the government will do business with. Additionally, there's also this SIC code, which stands for the Standard Industrial Classification. You're going to have to go through these hyperlinks and find which business applies to you because you will need to know what specific number applies to you. And as you can see, as you drill down in each hyperlink, it'll eventually give you a description of what that particular NAICS code is. So as you can see here. All right, everybody, this is the next web page. It's your DUNS number, your DUN unique 9-digit serial number. Think of this as like your social security number for your business. You'll click this and hit whatever is applicable to you, and the rest is nothing more than filling out your company information, your personal information, point of contacts, and give it about 1 or 2 days for them to process it. They'll send you an email with your DUNS number. And the next page is the System of Award Management page. You're going to have to go here and register your entity. You hit start registration, and like the other previous websites, you're going to have to fill in your personal information for your business. And the last page, you're going to log into this web page, hit the dashboard button on the top. You're going to go to New Business and do the same thing you did for the other ones. Enter your DUNS number and begin to complete all the required fields. And for all of my veteran community, hit me up. I will be creating free business logos for all of my veteran businesses. Let me know if you need help. Leave your questions down in the comment section. And for everybody else as well, leave a comment if you have questions or if you found this helpful. All right, later.